And hello there, Ganda fans, folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai kit coming from the Universal Century or from the HGUC. We have the Gundam TR6 Wondwart version, Psycho-Blade Custom from the Advance of Zeon reboot version. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Anyways, as you can see in the box art, yes, this is a P-Bandai. You see the monocolor theme going on here, and of course the kit is here. I mean, the Gundam TR6 is here, and yeah, some of the other parts off to the side. It's just the name, unlike the HGFC guys, which have some mechanics onto the side, but no, this is just only the name. Anyways, so let's take a look and see what's inside the box. So this is actually a black version of the Gundam TR6. So yeah, so mostly are black sprues here. Yeah, so one bag of those, another bag with these, third bag, fourth bag with some gray this time and some yellow. Fifth bag, oh, I see some gold here. Yep, and some wires. No, not yet. Second to the last bag has all gray parts. And yep, a spoolless stand. And true to other P-Bandais out there, this kit comes with instruction manual, but it's not colored, and there are no such images of the kit itself wherein you can see or compare it. Yeah. Anyways, you have here two options to assemble. One is the Psycho-Blade Custom, or one with the black harem for the Zeon. Yeah, so two ways. Either way, you can assemble the head or the leg differently based on what you perform. Either you go with the Wondwart Psycho-Blade Custom or with the Wondwart Black Heroes Zeon version. Okay, so off to seeing the sprues one by one. Okay, so first off, we have the A sprue here, which is all black. We see some parts of the weapon. I think this is still some parts of the mobile armor, I guess. Yeah. So that's the A1. We also have here the A2. So now I'm seeing some parts of the Gundam here already. Still black in color. We also have an A3 again. Some parts are duplicated, I guess. Yeah. And of course we have the B1, which is the light gray. So some mechanical parts in here, some connectors and stuff. So this is a B1. You also have a B2, which is again the same. Some connectors, stops, inner framings. Yeah. And same with the B3 here. Light gray, again, connectors and inner framings. We also have a C1 here, which is all yellow. And then we have here a joint sprue, which is a C1 and a C2. See here, C1, C2. Only this time it is white instead of yellow, because this kit is actually, you can build it either way, either the Psycho frame or the Zeon one. Continuing, we have the B sprue, a very small sprue here. Yeah, the head and the hips, so the parts of the waist, I guess. Yeah. We also have an E1 again, going back to the black color, and then an E2 going back to the light gray color here. Then we have an an E3 here, which is a gold V-pin. This is if you choose to do the Wondwart Psycho-Blade Custom. Okay. Of course, we have an F2 here, all white. We have the spoolless stands here, and we have a very big ABS plastic here for the joints. We have a wire for the gimmicks. Yep. We have a big, full sticker sheet for some color separation. and some markings here. I think these markings will be useful if you're going to build the Rezion version. Yep. And there you have it again, the fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Gundam TR6 Wondwart Psycho-Blade Custom from the Advance of Zeon reboot version, wherein you can build either one to assemble. You can either build the Psycho-Blade Custom or the one from the Rezion version. And this is Big Source saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.